Right guys, I can hear it coming. It's gonna go off in a couple of seconds. So it is. 3, 2, 1, 0. No, that never works. I thought I heard the train though. I mean, unless the crossing's broken. Hopefully that'll never happen. Hey, I'm just noticing I haven't been here in a long time, so yeah. There we go. Hi guys, here at Springfarm Road, 11 across the county. I don't need to have a shoe yet. Time now is 14:49 on Wednesday, the 9th of June 2020. This is for your 1503 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Derlin Derry. Through 307 to Derlin Derry, and up they go. I am shocked. I don't know why you'd do that. Thanks guys, in the next video.